Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Sign into Apple. Com to verify your Apple ID and password, and check two-factor authentication is active. Once done, make sure your device's date and time are set to automatic so validation tokens match Apple servers. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or enable cellular data to avoid packet loss. While you're doing this, restart the device to clear transient errors, and keep the screen unlocked so verification prompts aren't missed. Now continue by signing out of Icloud on the device and signing back in to force a fresh authentication handshake. This clears stalled tokens. If verification still fails, update your iOS or Mac OS to the latest version, because many verification bugs are fixed in patches. Make sure you can receive verification codes on a trusted device or phone number. Add a recovery email if needed. If network problems persist, reset network settings to remove corrupted Wi-Fi profiles, then reconnect and attempt verification again. To finish, enter the verification code from a trusted device or SMS exactly as shown. Copy and paste isn't necessary, but type carefully. Make sure iCloud keychain and sign-in prompts are allowed so the flow completes. If you can't access trusted devices, initiate Apple's account recovery and follow the emailed instructions. This can take several days. If problems continue, gather system logs and screenshots and contact Apple support so they can trace authentication failures on their servers and guide the final fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.